Hello everybody, this is Jacob Nolly from the Graphite Lab, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you about a little known feature of ServiceTitan called call scripts. Alright, so basically what ServiceTitan call scripts is a feature that can be turned on in your ServiceTitan account that lets you build in conditional logic to your call booking process, rather than just having the standard form that you would see in ServiceTitan. So in this situation, I'm in an account that's got call scripts set up. And basically, how these work is, let's say your CSR gets a call. You can build these out completely custom. Your CSR gets a call, and this is what comes up on their screen. So the first thing that they'll do is you can have a little speech bubble that tells them exactly what to say to the customer. And I'll go, this is some notes. And then it'll tell you what to do. You can click next, and then you can do some things about. You can answer some questions about how they found us. So let's say Yelp. Click next, and then you can ask a question. So you can just have the customer just ask. You can just basically tell the CSR to ask a question, put in some hints there. And basically, as you go, you could tell it when you want to have it select a customer. So let's say I'm just going to have it I'm going to go ahead and search for this customer. Let's just call him Test. So let's go ahead and select Test here. I go, yep, that's the one. I'll click next. And then it'll ask me, are you calling in regards to your plumbing or HVAC system? So I'll go ahead and let's just say HVAC in this situation. Anytime I want to peep at the location, I can just actually click, now that I've selected one, I can actually just peep that location here. But then I've set it up to ask a variety of different questions about like what the person's calling about. So in this situation, I'm going to say, let's do a heating tune-up, PMA. Do you know the age of your equipment? So that way we're asking those right questions. I'm going to say 6 to 10 years. And basically each of these questions with the answers, it's choosing yes or no. Do we want, like, what should the next question be based on the previous answer? So do you rent or own your service location? Let's say I'm the owner. Are you or anyone in your home currently experiencing COVID symptoms? Do no, no, or yes. How we want to do it. I can select an appointment window. So let's say we're just going to go ahead. This is actually showing our available capacity. So this customer's got adjustable capacity planning turned on. In this situation, you can either do adjustable capacity planning or just a standard call booking screen. Click next. And it's going to auto-filled a lot of that call booking for you. So we know it's a heat, based on our question answers, it's HVAC maintenance, it's a heat tune-up, priority is low. We can select a marketing campaign, or we can auto-fill that based on previous answers, etc. Basically, you just fill this form out. And then once everything's filled out, you just submit it into a job. And so it just kind of works the same way as a standard call booking workflow, but in this situation, it is basically in this situation we have a recurring service event required. So I'm going to go ahead and just select a different option just so we can book this into a final job. Now click close. And now it's a job. So instead of going through the process of just filling things out and hoping the CSR asks all the right questions and everything like that, instead you can do that form workflow. So the way that this works inside of ServiceTitan is through a thing called call scripts. So you actually have to have this enabled in your account. And the other caveat is that it is written in JavaScript, in JSON. So it's a kind of complicated workflow to set it up. There isn't like a UI to build these things as of today. So you do have to know how to code in order to build it. But if this is something that you and your team is interested in, it could be a very worthwhile feature. And us here at the Graphite Lab can help you get those call scripts written.